So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. So clearly you can see the sum. If 3 to the power x is equal to 6, then 3 to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to dash. Okay, 4 options have been given. We have to find which one is correct. Clear? So I am doing the sum. Watch it very carefully. What has been given? 3 to the power x is equal to 6. Okay, this has been given to us. So now what will I do? I will square both sides. Okay, I have squared both sides. So it will be 3 to the power 2x is equal to 36. 3 to the power x is equal to 6 was given to us. I have squared both sides. So it will become 3 to the power 2x is equal to 36. Name it as 1. Okay, clear? So now what we have to find? 3 to the power 2x minus 1. So now 3 to the power 2x, 3 to the power 2x minus 1. Okay, this means what? 3 to the power 2x by 3, and 3 to the power 2x is how much? 36. 36 by 3 you have to write using 1, and 36 by 3 is how much? 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 6. So the required answer, so the answer is 12. So which option do you think is correct? Obviously option number D. Clear? Thank you.